Hey guys, I'm Codemeister and it's time to code. But wait, if you're new to coding, I strongly suggest that you pause this video right now and go find my tutorial number 1 video, which introduces you to the platform code blocks that we are using. So now let's continue. Today in this video, we'll be working with characters and strings. A character is a data type that holds one character, for example, a letter H. But a string is a data type that can hold words and sentences. Let's get to it. So let's start off with strings. As you know, a string is a data type that can hold words or sentences. So, let's start off by creating one string. Let's call it string hello. And let's give it a value of the word hello. Now, to print this out on the screen, you would have to type cout less than sign hello. Now, the program recognizes that hello is a string. So, let's run this and it should say hello. Great. Now, if you're like me, then you usually don't say just hello to your friends. So, we won't say just hello right now. To do that, we'll write string and rest for the sentence. And we'll give it a value of my friends. Now, to print this out on the screen, we'll just do two other less than signs and rest. Once again, the program will recognize that rest is a string. Now, if we run this, semicolon. You cannot forget to put the semicolon there. Very important. Hello, my friend. That's great. Now, if you're like me, you don't really want your code super long. So, let's shorten it by creating another string. And let's call this string full. It will contain the full sentence. And to do that, it will contain hello and rest. What this is doing is it's appending hello and rest together to create one sentence. Now, that means the value of full will be hello, my friends. So to test that out, we'll print out full. Hello, my friends. That's great. Now it's time for chars. Char stands as character, and what it contains is one single character. For example, char H equals to the letter H. Now, characters usually have only one single quote, while strings have double quotes. If you give a character double quotes, and it will bring up an error. Now, I just want to print out H. Now, the program will recognize that H is a character, and it will print out the letter H. That's great. Now, we don't want our little h to be alone. So let's create the full word hello. To do that, we'll just create char E is equals to E. Char L1 is equals to L. Char L2 is equals to L, and char O is equals to O. Now to print it out, all we have to do is do less than sign E, less than sign L1, less than sign L2, and less than sign O. Now, if we run, it'll print out hello. Now, we can do something really cool with our strings and our chars. With our chars, we only have the word hello, but we can also put rest here, and if we run, it should print out hello, my friends. That's great. So in one line of code, you can see that you can put chars and strings, and it'll print out on one line in the program. That'll be it for this video. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Peace out. See you guys in the next one.